Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to limit FPS of Valorant with NVIDIA graphics. We start by opening the control panel of our NVIDIA graphics card. After that, we will click on the Manage 3D Settings option. After that, we enter the Program Settings tab. Here, within the Select a Program to Customize list, we will choose Valorant. If it does not appear, we can click on Add and add it to the list. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Then, in the configuration list, we will click on the maximum frame rate drop-down menu. Finally, we will click on and we can choose the number of maximum frames for Valorant. Apply the changes to finish. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.